That's some crazy shit, bro.
If it ain't a type bar, it ain't a type car, you know?
What's up, guys? So I'm heading to Luke's house right now. They're like detailing their cars and all that, but I'm bringing my motorcycle exhaust, which is right here, and what I'm gonna be doing is trying to polish it up. I bought this like metal polish, so yeah, everything should already be in here. And yeah.
Oh shit, you gotta take this off first?
Don't make eye contact when you do this. Yeah. Yeah, dude, I fucking got sent home early today too, and I was like, fuck it, got shit to do.
Huh? So he has more space unput the springs. It's definitely working.
Yeah, but he's been doing this for 50 bucks. Yeah, apparently he's doing it.
Oh, your girl will let you do a bump shop away.
I'm not making it look like the place, but I'm disrespectful.
Yeah, she was telling them.
Well, they got like fucking stripper poles.
I do this like, oh.
Yes. That is way better than mine.
Yeah, he must be making good money working on bikes. You got goofy short hands.
Gotta show him the work, dude. God damn. Hey, this is how lemonade's up, bro.
Yes, yes you do.
Oh, that's like the worst part. No
Yeah, you gotta take the bearings off, man. That's why you ride a naked bike.
Okay. You see that?
God damn.
Both of those I got. Can I have a V-Tech ride? V-Tech ride?
God damn. Remind me of high school. God damn.
Oh, is that a Ricardo? Ricardo?
I don't put my seatbelt on, man. Nostalgic, dude. Back in the day, dude.
Go on the street then. Orang go down there? Yeah.
About to do a little pull. Wait, turn on. So hear the engine and shit. God damn.
I ain't warming up. Speed check not gonna crack. Cruise out. So yeah, dude, back like men's league days and shit.
Fuck, dude. I know. That's why I was like, you know what? Before I go, man. Back in the day. It doesn't rub?
Huh?
It doesn't rub?
No. No rub, no nothing anymore. That's what the Accord's for.
Ah, yeah, dude. That shit's pretty low. God damn. That's some crazy shit, bro.
If it ain't a type bar, it ain't a type car, you know what I mean?
God damn. That shit pulling. That's like that. That's like that motorcycle reaction shit too, man. Just fucking.
But it's like all my friends, they got like turbo cars now, you know. So like,
Yeah.
it's still not fast enough, but
It's fucking
Compared
quick,
to
though.
what the B16 was before,
This one,
this is
yeah.
a lot faster.
This is fucking
Yeah.
fast, bro. It fucking pulls too, and then lowering it makes a fucking big difference, huh?
Yeah. Revs out a little higher.
Don't get in trouble though. Fuck, man.
It's cool. Coronavirus. No cop pulling anyone over now.
God damn. Last. Person walking. Yeah, she quick, bro.
Yeah, she was out in the street earlier.
God damn.
Yeah, could have bought like an SUK or some bullshit like that.
dude.
A Subaru,
Nostalgic,
but
dude.
Gotta go back to your roots, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
this is nostalgic. Oh, wait.
Where's that go?
Huh?
Huh?
Got this car like
That was a little,
I had one back.
that little sketchy, bro.
Does it come with that seat right here? No, or you switch it.
Recaros, so they came off of Integra.
The Integra
Yeah,
Type R, right?
yeah.
Oh, damn.
The motor's from Integra Type R too. It's a V8 TC5.
Appreciate the ride. Brings back hella memories.
Yeah.
Hey, where's Justin at? Mentally, bro.
Your first video is actually
With the EM1.
cruise.
Yeah, the
Remember?
GMR cruise. Yeah.
Yeah, the new one? Yeah, it's the new one.
Yeah, just a little quick walk around real quick. Yeah.
There we go. Look.